Hi, my name is Marta Quintero and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do Candida. I'm going to turn around so you can watch me. You're going to start with your left foot. You're going to slide to your left, slide to the right with a quarter turn to the right, then slide left, slide right, left foot. You're going to step forward, tap, back with the right and tap. Do it again, forward, tap, back, tap. With your left foot, you're going to step, point, step, point, step, point. Then you're going to do a quarter turn to the right or pivot and step, tap. You're going to start all over again and slide to the left. Now let me go ahead and show you with a count. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward and back. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And start all over again. And thank you for watching.